Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Just dim the lights down right now.
Alrighty guys, so I wanted to go over what Duramarkets has to offer simply by clicking the link in my description box, and you get this bonus. This is definitely for the ones who is requiring more funds in their accounts by simply placing a small deposit, right? So let's get into it. Duramarkets has an exclusive 250% bonus on a minimum deposit of $100 and above. That is a great opportunity, especially if you are looking to increase your profits in the Forex market, right? So these are some of the key conditions that you want to keep in mind in order to make sure that you are receiving everything needed for the account. And as an example, just to kind of give you numbers, if you're wanting to know how much would 250% give to you, basically, if you do deposit the minimum, which is the $100, 2.5 times that is going to give you a total amount of $350. So now you have enough revenue in your account to be able to gain more profits, right? Because $350 is way better than having just $100, right? So that is something that you want to keep in mind. That's just like if you were to add $1,000 into your account based on this bonus, you would have up to $3,500 in trading equity. So basically, that is how you want to keep it in mind. But pretty much those are the numbers that you're working with. I think that this is an awesome opportunity if you are looking into possibly increasing the opportunity for you to basically make more money. Again, with Duramarket, it is going to be your regular trading Forex broker. This is not going to be like your prop firm trading accounts. These are more so based on the amount of revenue that you are able to put into your own primary account. So it's very important to take advantage of this opportunity if you are able to do so. Again, in order to be able to receive this this bonus, you have to click the link in my description to be able to receive it. But other than that, guys, I hope that this video was very informative and just straight to the point for you guys to get started with Duramarkets. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.